What's up guys, my name's Connor. I'm a designer, fabricator, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call me. In this video, I'm working on a new design concept for a multi-purpose bent laminated piece of furniture. I'm going to create a series that takes you from concept all the way through to final product. So let's dive in and check it out. Alright, so let's take a look at the general concept for this design. The main shapes are based around these two U-shaped or C-shaped bent laminated plywood pieces that interlock and click together and then can also come apart and be used as separate elements. The pieces are sized in such a way that they can be used horizontally as a coffee table, or you can flip it on its side and it would be the correct height for an end table for your couch. I'm also experimenting with bringing multiple of these pieces together to create small shelving units. So I'm still working on the joint system that will make this happen, but the general concept for this piece is that it's two very simple shapes that are cleverly designed and dimensioned in a way that they can be used for multiple things around your home or your house, and it's something that you can bring with you for the rest of your life. So now we have like an understanding of what we want the product to be and the general concept. I have to think about the materials and how it's going to be made. So you may already be familiar with this chair if you follow me or subscribe to my channel. This is a chair that kind of started the YouTube journey. And it's made with bent laminated plywood and also steam bent ash. And I'm hoping to create the multi-purpose piece of furniture with a similar technique to this seat. So this seat is actually made with 4 layers of bendy plywood and then a layer of veneer on the top and bottom to give it that aesthetic finish that you want. In the case of the multi-purpose piece of furniture, I'm going to use a walnut to start off. But if you're not familiar with it, this is a poplar bendy ply. It's 1/8 inch thick, very flexible. And we're going to glue these up and laminate 4 of them together. That'll give you the structure. And then on the top and the bottom, we're going to have a walnut veneer, which is a solid slice of real walnut, and then we'll glue that to the surface. So that's going to be our aesthetic veneer or finish to the piece. So that's basically how we're going to go about making the structure of the piece. It's very simple, but then to actually get it into that shape, we have to create pretty complex jig to mold it once all the glue is on there, and then you remove it the following day and you should have your finished piece. So yeah, that's the next steps. If you're new to this channel, welcome. It's good to have you here. If you're one of the OG subscribers from 2016, you're probably wondering, what the hell am I doing on your screens again?
I missed you so much.
This channel generally focuses on design, woodworking, metalworking, digital fabrication, and bringing all of those things together to create beautiful furniture or DIY projects or even larger scale projects for your home. If you came across me back in 2016 for some of the design work and bent lamination around the lounge chair that I was designing,
I'm glad you're with me.
a lot has happened since 2016 and creating that chair series. My best friend Brian and I have set up 2 businesses here in Brooklyn, in Red Hook in New York. We originally set up a company called A5 Studio, which is a digital fabrication company. We do large scale installations all across the US. And then even more recently, we've set up a flat pack, modular, sustainable furniture business called Hook Home. And we're running that out of this workspace here in Brooklyn in Red Hook also. And we're doing a lot more smaller scale furniture projects, and we're designing and creating new prototypes. And I thought you guys would be interested in seeing us develop new furniture products, trying out new techniques. Yeah, I just think it'd be really fun content. You know, back in the past, I was kind of learning along with you guys. You know, I was doing bent lamination for the first time. I was kind of dipping my toes in woodworking, and now here we have 2 pretty substantial businesses here in Brooklyn, Red Hook, and I think we're doing some pretty interesting things, and I think we can continue to learn together. Yeah, I just wanted to share all of this content with you guys and create a new series around prototyping and the new products that we're making.